Have you ever asked ChatGPT to give you sources for a paper and then couldn't find them anywhere? You're not alone. A growing number of students are turning to AI tools like ChatGPT to help brainstorm topics, write outlines, or even generate citations. These citations look polished and professional. They include author names, article titles, journal names, volume numbers, page ranges, even DLIs. But here's the problem. Some of them are completely made up. These are called hallucinated citations, references that sound plausible but don't actually exist. The AI didn't find them in a database or look them up. It just generated them based on what a citation should look like. That's why it's so important to understand what hallucinated citations are and why they happen. In this short video, you'll learn how AI can create citations without ever checking if they're real, why its answers can sound convincing but still be wrong, and what risks you take when using made-up citations in your research. Then, in the next video, we'll show you how to double-check citations using your library's tools so you can be confident that your sources are real. AI chatbots don't actually search databases or look up facts. They're large language models designed to predict the next word in a sentence based on patterns they've learned from billions of examples. For instance, if the sentence starts, "She packed a small blank," the model considers all possible next words, suitcase, lunch, dog, car, and picks the one that seems most likely in context. But it doesn't know what's true. It's making an educated guess based on patterns, not understanding or fact-checking. Perhaps in this example, suitcase wins. This is prediction on an enormous scale, driven by data and algorithms, but with no awareness of whether it's right. What AI can generate is plausible, not necessarily truthful. At first glance, a hallucinated citation might seem convincing. It can have all the hallmarks of a real reference: an author, an article title, a journal name, a volume number, and even a DOI. Sometimes parts of it are correct. The author might be real, or the journal might exist. But other details may be completely fabricated, and when you put them together, the exact citation simply doesn't exist anywhere. You might find that the journal never published that article, the volume number doesn't match the year, or the DOI leads nowhere. The end result is the same: a source that looks trustworthy but can't be found or used in your research. Using hallucinated citations, even unintentionally, can have real consequences. They can damage your credibility, confuse readers or instructors who try to follow your sources, and even raise questions about academic integrity. Just as importantly, they rob you of the opportunity to engage with real scholarship, to analyze genuine arguments, evaluate authentic evidence, and connect your work to established research. When a source isn't real, that deeper learning never happens, and your paper ends up resting on an empty foundation. While hallucinated citations can be frustrating, the good news is that there are reliable ways to check whether a source is real. Most of the time, you can confirm a citation using tools your library already provides, like the library search system, databases, or even Google Scholar. And if you're not sure where to start, librarians can help you verify sources and guide you to accurate information. There are also newer AI tools that are grounded, meaning they generate responses based on real, citable sources, not just language patterns. In the next video, we'll show you how to use your library's tools to check a citation step by step, so you can feel confident that your references are real and your research is built on solid ground.